Welcome to Delicious and Nutritious. Where we use the best quality ingredients to cook the tastiest food, and you guys might be like, why are you not in the kitchen right now? Well, I wanted to have had this idea that I wanted, as I travel places, to start integrating some restaurants that if you guys travel to too, you can start enjoying these restaurants. So today what we are doing is we are in South Beach, Miami, Florida, and the restaurant we are checking out is going to be Appala Day Cafe. So for me, I'm always looking for organic places that have high quality food that offer most of the time. It's rare for me to eat anywhere that doesn't offer gluten-free ingredients and is conscious, right? And so that is what Appala Day Cafe is in Miami, Florida. So if you guys are ever here, I highly suggest you guys check this place out. It's great. I'm gonna highlight the things that I have had and the things that I've had that maybe aren't the best, right? Because everywhere has specialties and everywhere may miss the mark a little bit. And that's no fault to the restaurant in particular, but let's jump right in. You guys can check out Appala Day Cafe, South Beach, Miami, Florida. Everything's in the pinned comments below. Let's go in. All right, everybody, we are in Appala Day Cafe right now, and we have the turkey burger, and we have this on gluten-free as well as it comes with the lentil soup. The lentil soup here is absolutely amazing. One of my favorite things here. So if we're gonna look at the menu real quick, as far as what I would go, I love the smoked salmon is amazing. I feel like a lot of the salads and wraps are really, really tasty. The burgers and sandwiches are definitely something that you guys wanna check out. The smoked salmon is also great for breakfast. They have awesome tacos. The quesadillas are also really, really good as well. So there's a lot. This menu is very, very extensive. And one of my favorite things is actually the cauliflower pizza that they have. So it's gluten-free. You guys know that I'm a big advocate for not eating gluten. So that's something that I'm always after. They have great acai bowls as well. Their breakfast is incredible. Some of the things on here, they have a power omelet, which is amazing. Free range eggs, guys, remember we always talk about the free range. Pasture raised being the best, but pretty close there. Spinach, kale, red peppers, onions, amazing stuff. They have hemp seeds in that, but that omelet is next level. They have free range egg sandwich. They have the smoked salmon bagel, which is definitely one of my favorites when I come here if I'm going for breakfast. They also have create your own pancakes, which are crazy good. Like, their pancakes are amazing. My go-to breakfast is gonna be the smoked salmon bagel, gluten-free bagel. You can have the upcharge right there to be able to get that. And you can also get vegan cream cheese, which is probably gonna be the more than likely Kite Hill, which is gonna be the almond. And then finally, what I would suggest for you guys is, like I told you about, the pizza is extremely tasty. And sometimes, like, if you guys don't do dairy or whatever, what you can do is just eat the pizza. You guys saw it up there, and just ask them for no cheese and have a little bit of extra salt on there, because that's gonna do it for you. So we're gonna jump right into this, one of the turkey burgers. This is like one of my go-tos. Lentil soup, amazing. And yeah, if you guys ever have the chance to come to Appala Day Cafe while you're in South Beach, Miami, and you wanna stay healthy and get some stuff, you can definitely do that. The things that I have tried that I might stay away from here are the bowls were okay. Probably of all the things on the menu, my least favorite thing. Even though I'll still eat it, it just lacked a little bit of stuff, because we're gonna take you guys to another bowl spot in Miami that's crazy good. And then also I wanna point out that they have amazing live blend smoothies, which are also next level as well. So they have juices that are all organic, cold pressed. So this place hits all of my requirements to be on Delicious and Nutritious as the first restaurant that we have taken our vlogs to. Okay, and just for everybody that, Lizzie, doesn't like when I don't try things, right? Here is going to be the lentil soup. It's incredible. I absolutely love the lentil soup, and let's try to one-hand this burger. This is the first time I've ever one-handed food Look at, I love the fact that there is so much greenery and everything that you need in this. So good, so good. Okay, so Appala Day Cafe review. My fullness factor, which is important for restaurants, I believe. I'm pretty satisfied off that turkey burger. There was a lot of greens in there. There was cucumber, shredded carrots, there was tons of stuff, right? Which is great. Turkey burger, they have the availability of gluten-free for pretty much everything, including pizza, which is very rare, which I am a big fan of. You can also go without the cheese. They have dairy-free cheese as well, dairy-free cream cheese. They're really conscious. Organic cold-pressed juices. They have smoothies, which are amazing. Like I said, the breakfast pancakes are incredible. And on that turkey burger, they also had hummus on there as well, which was really good. And they also have some water up front, which I'm a big fan of. And not only that, they're infusing the water with some fruits to give you added minerals and stuff like that. So they're a superfood cafe. Appala Day, do not let it deceive you. And plus they have free parking here, which is not very common in Miami. Oftentimes you're like parking on the side of the street, you have a meter, but no, there's a parking lot here. It's maybe 15 spots, which is doable. So Appala Day Cafe, being healthy in Miami Beach, Florida. This is the spot for you guys to come. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the vlog, because I enjoy doing it, because there's a lot of really good restaurants around there that I really want to share with you guys. So whenever you travel, you have the ability to check out the restaurants that I truly go to and that I think that you guys will enjoy as well. So show them some love. Come to Appala Day Cafe.